Here is another question that someone asked. They were wondering what you would call a bathroom that didn't have a bathtub in it. And according to most builders and people involved in the home selling business, you would still call it a bathroom. It's just a bathroom like this would be called a 3/4 bath. You basically get a 1/4 point for a sink, a 1/4 for a toilet, 1/4 for a shower, a 1/4 for a bathtub. And no, I don't know what you would get if you had other fixtures in there like a bidet, because the highest I've ever seen is a full bath. And I've even seen a situation where you just have a bathtub without a shower, and they consider this to be a full bath. However, don't be surprised if they also refer to this as a 3/4 bath. However, if we add a shower head and make it a bath and shower combination, we're back to a full bath. So let's go ahead and run through a couple of these. Here we have a half bath. 1/4 plus 1/4 equals a half. And this is probably the most common half bath you're going to run into. And of course, if we remove the toilet, we have a 1/4 bath. However, these usually aren't that common. Here's another 1/4 bath, and then a half bath, and another half bath, and not as common as this half bath, or the 3/4 bath, or the full bath. And if for whatever reason the information in this video still doesn't make sense, feel free to leave your questions in the comment area, and I will answer them as soon as possible.